Hi everyone, this is Katie here. So today is 3rd of November 2025, first trading day of the week. Let's take a look at FinVis to see how the market is doing. We can see that the different sectors here, majority are red, but the tech sector it's a bit bullish here. So I guess some of the headlines here is that stock keep rising as Amazon's deal power AI bets. So Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq open higher, kicking off November in the green. So it's quite bullish for the market. Let's take a look at futures here. Futures, DJI minus 97, minus 0.2%. S&P 500 plus 8, plus 0.12. Nasdaq plus 0.64%. A bit mixed here, I would say. Okay, I'll look at some of the stock tickers on my list here. Poet here, I'm quite bullish about this counter. Earnings is this, I think next week, so probably it will be a bull run for this. AMD earnings this week. Let's take a look. I believe with the AI uh, phenomenon, I think it would be beating the estimates. Let's take a look at NBIS. Also earnings next week. Somehow earnings this week. CRWV earnings this next week. JD, I'm bullish about JD is still undervalued as far I can see. So there's earnings for next week here. Pfizer, let's see, dividend exercise did this Friday. So I believe it will be a positive price action because people will be buying in Pfizer stock. But tomorrow is the earnings. So if earnings are beat estimates, more people will be buying into Pfizer stock to get out of the dividend. So let's take a look whether is there any trades for Pfizer later. Okay, expecting to drop revenue here. Okay, let's see. STZ dividend exercise did was last week, so that's why the price usually drop after that. Uh, okay. Let's see whether is there a good chance to accumulate STZ. STZ is part of Buffett's portfolio, so um, probably if we have faith in Buffett's, then probably you should accumulate more for this. Okay, CRM, nothing much. Still consolidating here. Okay. Let's take a look at the watch list here. So, we look at VIX CBOE volatility index plus 2.8%. More than 2% to me is considered a significant move. So if it's plus 2.8% means that there will be a bearish price action for majority of the market here. And I will look anything that's more than plus minus 2%. So CRWV minus 2.5%, bearish price action. Sound somehow minus 2.61%, bearish price action here. But Poet, very positive price action. So congratulations to those who accumulate Poet for the last week or so. Okay. Any trades that I would do today? I think I will do trades on JD here. So let's see. Why I do JD? I think the call uh, has the value less than 50%. So I think it's a good thing to roll 1 week later. So let's look at JD. So JD, I got it at 34 break-even price. Buying back is 0.22 debit. Roll it 1 week later. That would be 0.92-ish. Okay. Let's do that. So close this position here. I'll start from 0.21. Buying back is a call. Slowly up 0.01 to get a better price here. I guess 0.24 is the better deal here. Okay, let's sell calls for the week later. These are covered costs, so same. We start from 0.95 and work our way down to, okay, 0.99, and we work all the way down to 0.94. 0.98, 0.97. Usually it's in the middle, but 0.96, 0.93 should make the deal, but let's see. Because the spot is always changing. So 0.92 eventually. Okay, 0.91. So for this, we got a credit about 68 cents here for just rolling 1 week. Okay, for JD. Let's see. Any more positions that I would roll? Uh, TZAC. Okay. I think NDIS might be a uh good trade to do so, but I will monitor later. GLD, CRWV, maybe. Yep. I think that's all for today. So, uh, if there's any more trades, I will update later. I will just monitor the market till about 1 hour or so, and then let's see how it goes. So remember to like this YouTube video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell and have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.